Data from the World Health Organization showed the Philippines is leading in the rise of novel coronavirus cases in the entire Western Pacific region. From June 16 to June 27, there were 8,143 cases reported, larger than new cases recorded in the same period in China where the virus was first reported. It was trailed with a big gap by Singapore, which registered 2,351 cases as of June 27, and then China with 302. Both China and Singapore have been aggressively testing its population for the virus, while the Philippines still struggles to expand its testing capacity. The Health Department says Sunday, June 28, Singapore has more cases at 7,393 cases per 1 million population compared to the Philippines, which has 318 cases per 1 million population. But the DOH later corrects the statement, saying Singapore has 4.4 deaths per million population while the Philippines has 11.34 deaths per million population. The DOH also notes the Philippines and Singapore vastly differ in the socio-economic context and health system capacity. As of Monday, June 29, there are 36,438 cases of coronavirus in the Philippines, recording 985 new cases in a single day. 643 of these are fresh cases and 342 are late cases. There are now 1,255 fatalities with 9,956 recoveries. Meantime, experts from Octa Research warn projected cases in the country may reach more than 60,000 by the end of July. They say there is still significant community transmission of the disease in the country. Their report says data from the DOH show a current average reproduction number of 1.28. The ideal reproduction number is below 1, which indicates that an area has had the upper hand in containing the pandemic. Cases are growing at a faster rate in Cebu City, overwhelming hospitals and health facilities. The city's positivity rate is the highest in the country, with about 33 out of every 100 persons testing positive. The DOH explains the elevated numbers are a result of increased testing capacity, but also unabated community transmission. In an effort to augment the health service capacity in Cebu, DOH orders the deployment of more doctors to the city. But the rural health doctors decried the directive, saying they were not consulted on their reassignments. The Doctors to the Barrios program's 36th and 37th batches in particular strongly condemned the directive, which they say would jeopardize health in far-flung areas. They say they were not informed in writing, not given guidelines, nor were they told how they would be protected during their temporary reassignments. Back in Manila, police arrest over 100 Filipinos and foreigners, including celebrity Casey Montero, on Sunday, June 28, after being caught gathering at Sky Bar in Salcedo Village in Makati City. Makati City Police say they received a tip about people partying in the area and launched a surprise inspection leading to the mass arrest. Metro Manila is under general community quarantine until the end of June. Bars are not allowed to reopen and mass gatherings are banned. In world news, China imposes a strict lockdown on nearly 500,000 people near the capital to contain a fresh coronavirus outbreak. The move comes after another 14 cases of the virus were reported in the past 24 hours in Beijing, taking the total to 311 since mid-June. The new cases in Beijing prompt fears of a resurgence of the virus in China. The new outbreak was first detected in Beijing's sprawling wholesale food market at least 2 weeks ago.